loved it. The freedom, the confidence that it gave me, the adventures I had, it honestly changed my life. But after more than a decade of traveling on my own, I started to feel like something was missing. I'd seen all these incredible destinations and went to all these really cool places, but I started to want to really share that with other women that also wanted to see the world. That's when I created a Solo Women Traveling. We're small group tours in Europe, seeing the destinations at a nice, comfortable pace. Our trips are intentionally small, no more than 12 women. We keep them small on purpose so that you have more time to connect and really get to know everybody on this tour. We travel slowly. That means more time in the hotel, less unpacking, less running around on the road. We take day trips to the destinations that everyone wants to see, but then we can come back to our hotel and relax at the end of the day. We partner with local vendors, often women-owned companies, and see the destination under that local eye. We stay off the tourist track and get to see the destination in a way that no other tour company can offer you. If you've ever dreamed traveling Europe with a small group of women, definitely check out our upcoming tours, visit our website listed below, and join us on a tour with a Solo Woman Traveling.